We all know that Lord Ganesha is considered one of the most important gods in Hinduism. He is the bringer of success, joy, and prosperity, as well as the remover of obstacles and evils. Ganesha is also the god of wisdom, knowledge, and the patron of arts and sciences. However, not many people know the stories about his marriage. Some legends say that Ganesha was a bachelor, while others tell of him having two wives, Vriddhi, prosperity, and Siddhi, wisdom. Here are two popular stories about how Lord Ganesha got married. Story 1. Even though Ganesha was wise and powerful, no girl wanted to marry him because of his elephant head and large belly. He tried hard to find a bride but kept failing, which made him angry. He began to disrupt the weddings of other gods, causing problems for everyone. The gods were afraid of Ganesha's anger and didn't know what to do. So they went to Lord Brahma for help. Brahma, using his power, created two beautiful women, Riddhi and Siddhi, and gave them to Ganesha as his wife. After this, peace returned to the heavens. Ganesha and his wives had two sons, Shubha, meaning auspiciousness, and Labha, meaning profit, and a daughter, Santoshi, the goddess of satisfaction. Story 2. Ganesha's parents, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, wanted to marry off their two sons, Ganesha and Kartikeya. The brothers started arguing about who should get married first, so their parents suggested a race. Whoever circled the earth first would marry first. Kartikeya immediately set off on his peacock, but Ganesha, instead of racing, stayed with his parents. He worshipped them and walked around them 7 times. When Kartikeya returned, thinking he had won, Ganesha explained that according to the Vedas, circling one's parents is equal to circling the whole world. His wisdom impressed Shiva and Parvati, and they decided to marry him first. Riddhi and Siddhi were chosen as his wives, and they had the same children mentioned earlier. The symbolism. The marriage of Ganesha to Riddhi and Siddhi represents an important spiritual idea. Riddhi symbolizes prosperity and planning, while Siddhi represents wisdom and the ability to carry out those plans. Together, they show that success requires both good ideas and the power to make them happen. Ganesha's children symbolize the positive result of these qualities: auspiciousness, Shubha, profit, Labha, and satisfaction, Santoshi. These stories not only tell us about Ganesha's family life but also highlight the deeper qualities of this beloved god, reminding us of the values of wisdom, success, and harmony.